There's a certain kind of freedom that only comes from the open road. Welcome to Fantasy RV Tours, where every month brings a new adventure. June is when adventure goes big. This month, we're exploring 3 unforgettable ways to spend your summer on the road. The wild landscapes of Alaska, the rugged coastlines of eastern Canada, and some of America's most iconic road trips and scenic destinations. For many RV travelers, Alaska is the ultimate adventure. On an Alaskan fantasy RV tour, you'll discover towering glaciers, incredible wildlife, historic frontier towns, and the breathtaking beauty of Denali National Park. Along Canada's eastern coast, maritime adventures await. Experience charming fishing villages, historic lighthouses, dramatic coastal landscapes, and the warm hospitality that makes this region so special, all from the comfort of your RV. And for those looking to stay a little closer to home, June also features a collection of classic American adventures. Follow the Legends of America road trip through iconic museums, halls of fame, and historic attractions that celebrate the people and stories that shaped our nation. Explore 10 legendary distilleries on the Kentucky Bourbon Trail, where rich traditions, craftsmanship, and Southern hospitality come together in one unforgettable experience. Discover the dramatic landscapes of the Black Hills and Badlands Rally, from Mount Rushmore and Crazy Horse Memorial to winding scenic roads and the rugged beauty of South Dakota. Or head into the mountains on the Smoky Mountain Rally, where scenic overlooks, charming mountain towns, and the natural beauty of Great Smoky Mountains National Park create the perfect summer getaway. This June, wherever the road takes you, make it an adventure worth remembering. Visit fantasyrvtours.com to learn more and subscribe for more guided RV adventures.